Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Swift Challenger 480 2022. So a fantastically well spec'd single axle 2-berth caravan benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So the wonderful carbon fibre front locker box finish that you see there that you get throughout the Challenger range and also on our Elite range. Space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your steady winder for your legs, your electric hookup cable, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, and also an exterior 240-volt socket. So new for 2022 is this finish on the Challenger logo that you see here, very much showing it in luxury and those pop-out chrome letters, and also slight change in the decal going down the side. You have a bin on the habitation door and also window with blind, and the 480 logo at the rear. So stepping inside the caravan, one of the rarities for this 2-berth caravan is actually getting that tall fridge that you see in front of you there as you step in. It's quite rare to get that on any single axle caravan, so very much a massive benefit having, as you see there, a tall fridge freezer with lots of storage space. The oven and grill, so you've got a combination oven and grill here with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, and pan storage also located underneath. An easy usable height microwave positioned above the stainless steel sink with a work surface extension giving you ample amount of work surface in the kitchen area. As we move forward to the lounge area, you've got the 2-tone locker finish that you see throughout and going all the way down the side of the caravan here, which really shows an abundance of storage. Large panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky roof light there, which creates a fantastic space in this front lounge and a real good feeling of space. Generous front long couches that you see here, so you can either sleep on them as a double by pulling the slats out of the front and sleep crossways on the caravan, or you can comfortably sleep on them as single beds by simply just turning the cushions over. So it's your first look at the Challenger fabric scheme, so a very durable, high quality fabric scheme chosen in the Challenger range that you see throughout here with matching curtains. On your front binnacle here, you've got USB points and 240-volt sockets. You have also got some blanking plates there, so should you want additional things being fitted to the caravan, that's certainly something we can help you here at Grantham. Down the bottom here, you've got the PIR sensor for the alarm, which is the front flashing green light that you see on there. A short pull-out table at the front chest there, and storage both in the chest and located below. On this large sideboard that you see here as we walk back, you've got 2 large wardrobe doors underneath, so ample amount of storage there. A shelf on the side, but this is where your television point is located. So a freestanding television that you can pop on the side there to be able to watch comfortably from the lounge, should that be something that you wish to do. Individual switch on LED lights are dotted throughout, and some of them also benefit from having a USB point in them as well. So a nice additional feature there for 2022. Some generous mood lighting dotted throughout the caravan that you see here, and really looks fantastic when lit. Your main control centre located above the habitation door is the panel that you see here controlling the caravan, and the panel you see here is the Alder wet central heating, certainly giving you an all-round warmth all year round. You have a robe hook or a coat hook as you step inside, and also a vanity mirror. So stepping towards this generous size rear shower area, rear bathroom, individual shower cubicle that you see here with pull across door and also light located inside. A large sink and storage located underneath, and also a large vanity mirror. Your Thetford toilet just positioned to the left hand side there with an Alder radiator, and at the rear here we've got a generous sized wardrobe. That's the full set of carpets that you see in there, and the Alder header tank for the Alder liquid. This is where your multi-directional aerial is positioned, along with your Vision Plus box, and also a hanging rail for hanging space. Some well-finished storage space also here in this rear wardrobe, so you're certainly not missing out on storage in this particular caravan. So that gives you a short, brief understanding of what the Challenger 480 2022 has to offer. If you do have any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team. As I mentioned earlier, 01476 560 599, option 1 for our sales team. I hope you've enjoyed this walk round tour. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thank you very much. Bye bye now.